everyone. I am so excited. I'm going to open up a chef's garden box that we receive at our household on a regular basis. They'll send you this information. It'll give you some ideas and some tips on how you can prepare your food, whether it be steamed, baked, raw, or put it in your salad. They have a variety of items that you might not regularly see in a typical grocery store, like little flowers. These flowers are edible. I like to put one on my salad. I prepare anywhere from 5 to 10 salads per week, depending if we're going to be staying at home, if we're going to be traveling. They have mixed greens. These are baby mixed greens, and I like to put them on top of the salad almost as a garnish. One of the aspects of the chef garden that I enjoy the most are their greens. This is a variety of mixed greens, and what we will do with this oftentimes is that Debbie and I will saute them with mushrooms and onions. We put the greens in afterwards. So greens have magnesium. Magnesium is important for the heart. Magnesium is important for colon function. I can tell you one aspect that they always do a superb job with are radishes. These are tinier radishes with a variety of mixed greens with them. So I'm going to go back and say this to you. Radishes are a part of Dr. Bob's ABCs. Apple, beet, carrot, and radish. Radish is a bitter herb. It's very important for digestive distress. It helps promote optimal liver and gallbladder function. Once again, we have a small container of microgreens. They're hardy. They add a lot of minerals to the overall body, and minerals are important, for skin and nails and heart function. And one of my favorite foods are carrots. And what I enjoy about their carrots, they're very colorful carrots, which means they have phytochemicals in them. And beta carotene is a part of the ingredients in a carrot. And we know that carrots are really important for liver function. Sometimes people have little floaters in front of their eyes, and if it's due to vitamin A deficiency, carrots will help. I like to peel them, and when you open them up, they're multicolored. It adds a little bit to the overall, just the variety of what the food looks like. Beets. I eat beets every day. Beets are important for digestive distress. Beets are important for your cholesterol. I'm going to show you how I make beets. It's pretty simple. We put them in the oven, we bake them, and then we add them to the salad every week. We have a variety of mixed greens right now, and what's really good is the other mixed greens we'll cook with. This particular group of greens we're going to be using as our base for our salad. We put our salads in containers, and they're really good for the entire week. These are larger radishes. Now, I'm not sure if you ever heard of a watermelon radish. It's not really watermelon, but when you slice that radish, the inside looks like a watermelon. It's not real bitter. It's very tasty, and I have at least 2 radishes every day of my life. And onions. Onions are a great source of sulfur. These actually are they're young leeks. We're a part of the onion family. You could saute them. You could put them on your salad. You could add them as extra flavor. And we also have sweet potatoes. Now, what's nice about sweet potatoes, you can bake these if you want. You can add them in your slow cooker. You can peel them or not peel them. You can put them in the oven. But the glycemic index, it means it does not impact your blood sugar like a regular white potato would. So we have a lot of food that we're going to enjoy, and it's just going to add to your overall zest of life.